Have you ever wondered how people are able to create custom GIFs of themselves like this and this on Instagram? Well, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that for free using nothing but your phone. Let's go. Alright, my friends, so this is actually very simple to do. All you're going to need is perhaps a ring light, a tripod, of course your phone, and in this case I just used my front-facing camera. So essentially what you want to do is just create simple, short 5-second clips of you pointing, doing certain gestures, and you want to capture that on your phone. Now, key point here or key tip here is it's best to film yourself against a flat, plain wall. In this case, I filmed against my door, but keep in mind that if you film against, perhaps a background, again, a flat, plain wall, you will have better results than I do. So once you capture all of that footage onto your phone, now what we are going to do is use a online app. So you want to go to unscreen.com. I will also link the website in the description box below because, I got you. And now what we're going to do is simply hit the upload clip. We're going to take some footage we took here. Let's use this one, this YouTube one here. Press choose. And then I believe it's going to clip it from 5 seconds or so. If the clip itself is longer, it's going to automatically clip it for you, but I don't think you can adjust the timeline in the Unscreen website here. So here we have it. There we go. Keep in mind, it is a free app, so it's not going to be the best of the best, but if you are filming against a plain wall, it might be a little bit better. But this is free, so we're going to take what we can get. So now we're going to go to the download button and we're going to hit the GIF button, and it's going to do this little magic animation thing. Okay. Then we're going to hit view, and now at this point what we're going to do is just simply hold on the image and we're going to save it to our photos. So it's going to be saved into our gallery here. So we check it out. This is what it looks like. Not too bad, quite snazzy. Okay. Now I'm going to show you how to use this. Okay, so now we can simply just copy the photo, go into your Instagram app. We're going to use this on a reel here or a story. Then we're just gonna take a picture. Now at this point what we're going to do is paste it in. So we're just going to tap here, paste it, and boom, there you go. You got a GIF of yourself. Look at that. It's quite glorious. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and be sure to check out my other tutorials right over here. And until next time, I'll see you all next time. See you over there. Go GIF yourself.